Some people have this vague opinion that cryptocurrency is a shortcut to wealth, but it is easier said than done. The cryptocurrency market is crowded with over 13,000 digital tokens, and every month at least 50 to 100 potential virtual currencies enter the market. We can even call some cryptocurrency secrets that will lead you to potential growth. Gaining knowledge about the virtual ecosystem is the first thing to do before investing, and analytics insight is more than willing to let you know the internal functionalities. In this video, we have unleashed some top cryptocurrency secrets that will help you get a hold of the market. Number 1. Be prepared for the price swings. Every investment has its own set of features that keeps them afloat. Similarly, the cryptocurrency market is filled with volatility. When you are buying a cryptocurrency, it indirectly means that you are signing up for the ups and downs. It leverages. Sometimes short-term steep falls and rise might even shock the investors. However, these are very common in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and you might actually yield profits from this if you keep a close track of the growth and follow experts who are accurate about predictions. Then you can invest in certain digital tokens and get your hand on good profits. Number 2. Digital currencies have no backing fundamentals. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are not backed up by any central banks or governments like normal currencies. This is one of the cryptocurrency secrets that you must know. They don't even have any tangible fundamental factors with which they can help derive an appropriate valuation to. So this makes it clear that valuing cryptocurrencies is a traditional sense is more difficult. Number 3. Keep a constant check on its performance. Even if you are not a full-time cryptocurrency investor and is doing it on the sidelines for profit, you need to keep a constant tab on the price swings. Although a 24/7 observation is not needed, checking them at constant intervals is a good thing. The more complicated your investing strategy becomes, the more you should review it. While it might seem to be a thing for short term investors, long run investors can also follow these criteria to keep a healthy investment. Number 4. Cryptocurrency is volatile. If you are the one who is constantly following the cryptocurrencies, then you will be able to notice how volatile they are. As virtual trading occurs on various cryptocurrency exchanges rather than a central exchange, that indeed leads to an increase in the volatility rate. This is one of the cryptocurrency secrets that you must know before entering the crypto market. We will talk more about this in the next video.